My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
What's cracking, YouTube? It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor: like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below, and it'll be right next to me right there. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. All right, so we're doing a little bit different today. We are outside. We're outside today. We're down in Melrose shopping district right now. I just came back. I made a bunch of different little pickups. It's actually going to be a 2-part video. I'll probably release the other one tomorrow. I did promise y'all a video. If you didn't already, go check out my, what did I get yesterday? What was that? Oh, the Air Jordan 1. The Air Jordan 1 wash pink. Yeah. I said that I was thinking about getting the black Flints. So as you can see from the thumbnail and the title, we got the black Flints. So I did get that. So, but if you didn't go check out my Air Jordan 1 wash pink video, go check that out right now. I'm not gonna leave that up right now. I'm gonna put that at the end of this video. At the end of the video, go click on that, my most recent video. Go check that out. Before we get into what I actually got, I got some other pickups. I didn't want to do like individual videos because one is old and another one is just a trade. So you can stay right there. I forgot to get this out the car. First, I want to say, shout out to KicksOfTheDay right here. I got this shoe actually from Nike. I won it on Nike a while back, but I didn't have my size. KicksOfTheDay also, they offer size swap. So I got a size 8 in Jordan 4s. That's too tight. So I wanted to swap it out. I went like 3 times in a row, so I was able to get my size, the 8.5. I forgot what these called. I think these are called like the Craft or something like that. Not too familiar, but just show y'all this real quick. It is DS. There we go. Just to show you that real quick. Size 8.5. Like I said, just wanted to get my personal size. Just to make sure this is everything. Yep. So shout out to KicksOfTheDay for that. I actually thought about doing this video while we was waiting for Jessica to buy some shoes. We're outside of the Melrose Foot Locker, and they don't open until 12 o'clock. It's Sunday, they don't open until 12 o'clock. So I was like, you know what, while we waiting, why not just do a sneaker review, whatever like that. So I don't gotta do it when I get home. So real quick, before we get into the main event, because when I got the Foot Locker, you know how it is when you go to a store and you see other things that you want. That's how it was. So we're gonna start off with the smallest thing. Got a Puma box right here, size 8. The color is safety yellow, pink glow green. These are a pair of slides, as you can tell for how small the box is. Jessica actually bought me these, so shout out to Jessica. She bought me these. These are the Puma Rick and Morty slides. These are I love how colorful they are. So as you can see, it got Rick. Oh, let me take this. Just skew off. Take that skew off. So as you can see, it got Rick right here, and we got Morty right there on this side. It is a 2-tone color, like this lime green / pink right here. I think this was like the last one they had of this. I like this. See LaMelo's little logo right there on the front. These aren't new. I was gonna pull the trigger on these a while back, but I was like, I don't know. They're only $50. So just the retail price was $50, stuff like that. So I like them, and I need slides because I'm kind of slow. I didn't realize that when you wear your shoes when you're driving, that's why I kept on getting like little black marks on the side of my shoe, because I guess it's rubbing up against the pedal or the mat, whatever like that. So now I take slides with me everywhere. So I don't know if these are gonna be the slides I take with me. These gonna be, because these are too clean, too bright. So I don't want y'all to see my feet, but right now I got my Champion slides on. But you know, if I can show you, these are beat up. These are beat up. So those are gonna be my walk around slides when I get out of my car, put my shoes back on. So we got these. It's a beautiful day in California right now. And I got these. I've been really debating whether or not I was going to get this shoe for a long time. It is a color that I'm not really fond of, but it's a clean shoe. So, and I don't have that many of this silhouette. So this is a Jordan, Air Jordan 9 Retro, white, fire red, cool gray. Suggested retail price, I think was 200 or was it 180? I forgot. It was something like that, 180, 190, 200, something like that. Size 8.5, you know, personal pair, no reseller here. You already know all that. So these been out for a while. I forgot the name of these too. So we got these choices right here. Hopefully I don't get copyright. Oh, we're gonna have to stop real quick. Stop. Okay, I'm back. I didn't want to get a copyright strike because the music was playing right there. But I guess, oh yeah, Foot Lock is open now. But we still gonna finish this. Anyway, yeah, dude was driving by with music. I didn't want to get a copyright strike. YouTube be trying to ban people and strike people like for the most dumbest reasons. Shout out to YouTube. Anyway, this is Air Jordan 9 right here. I like this. I forgot the name of this shoe, but I really like this. Is a clean silhouette. I need more Jordan 9s. I think I got like maybe 2 pair. So this gray, white mesh upper, got little hints of red in there. That's the color I was talking about. I'm not really a fan of red, but this is not that much red. 23 right there. Very nice shoe. But yeah, this came out months ago. So nothing new, but it was there. They only had 1 pair left. It was my size, so I was like, it's a sign I need to get it. So yeah. Boom, boom, boom. And now, for the main event. All right, so right off the back, you see the gray box. Nothing special about this. You already know what this is. Red Jumpman right there on it. Reads Air Jordan 13 Retro Black University Red. Suggested retail price, I think it was 200. I be forgetting these prices. I hate that Jordan took the suggested retail price off, but I think it was 200. Size 8.5, so you know what that means. Personal pair, no reseller here. Boom. Without further ado, ooh. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. These, yes sir, yes sir. These nice. So I'll put this right here so you can see that. Without further ado, we got the Air Jordan 13 Black Flint. Boom. Okay, got some information off of oh, before we get into that, this is a play of the Air Jordan 13 Flints. I don't know if I want to show y'all my video of the Flints or the red Flints, since the red Flints are the ones that came out most recently, but we're gonna go to the original, the Flints. So right above me right there is going to be a video of my review for the Air 13 Flints, the original ones, the blue and gray ones. Anyway, got some information off of sneakernews.com. Shout out to sneakernews.com. It reads, arguably one of the most exciting additions to the Jordan brand summer 2023 lineup, the Air Jordan 13 Black Flint, which was further previewed earlier this March, pays a late homage to the signature's 25th, and after several months of leaks and teasers, official images of the forthcoming colorway have finally surfaced. In both namesakes as well as the color blocking, the Air Jordan 13 Black Flint conjures to mind images of the Flint Gray that originally debuted in 1998. Here, though, the pair disguises itself from its predecessor, replacing blue with blacks. The dimple side panel is clad entirely in sad neutral, matching the accent liner as well as the outsole. Elsewhere, the rest of the shoe, save for the bright red Jumpman, that is more faithful to the cool tone counterpart, mimicking the gray suede, detailing white leather toe box. All right, and suggested retail price was, I still don't got the suggestion. Oh, $200, $200. So like I said, it's just a play off the regular Flints. Instead of the blue upper right here, the blue upper mesh, it's this grayish black, as is the black. Everything else is pretty much still the same. I wish I had the Flints right now, I could show you, but like I said, go check out that video. I did. Still got this gray suede right there, white toe cap right there, leather toe cap. Come with white laces. Got the Jordan bubble right there on the side. Got the panther paw print right there on the bottom, as you see. Jordan right there up top in black, white tongue, red Jumpman on the tongue, and oh, red bubble right there. And yeah, I mean, pretty much got the carbon fiber right there, black carbon fiber right there. So pretty much, it's a clean shoe. I mean, I like it. I didn't even know, like I said in my Air Jordan 1 wash pink video, I didn't even know these dropped. When I did that video yesterday, I didn't even know that these dropped. Unbox, shout out to Unbox. They sent a notification that these was available, and they're still available on the Sneakers app. Let's check.
Are those reflective on the
yes,
side?
3M. Thank you for being it. It is 3M reflector right there. I always forget about the 3M mentioning that, but yeah. Let's see if it's still on the Sneakers app, but I'm pretty sure it is. Like, I don't think it's gonna sell out. One at 13s. I love 13s. Like I said, 13s are in my top 3 silhouettes. 4s, 10s, 13s. So I love. So let's see. We're gonna check right now, see if they are still on the Sneakers app. Let me see if my size is available. Yes. Okay, so like I said, 13s aren't gonna sell out. They're still available on the Sneaker app. Go get your pair. I don't know if you see it because of the glare. Yeah, it's too much glare or whatever like that, but it's still available. Yeah, it's a clean shoe. I mean, dope. I mean, it's gonna go with a lot of different things, black and gray. So you don't get no better than that. So other than that, that's pretty much it. 1 to 10, what are you giving this real quick? You go first. I feel like
they're definitely a guy shoe, but for a guy, I give it 10. I feel like you wear it with a lot of things.
So what's your score?
A 10.
Oh, Jesus Christ. No, it's not a 10.
That's one of my favorite men's silhouettes. Like
the 13?
The 13, yeah. And I feel like the color is neutral. It could go with a lot of things.
Okay. I mean, I'm not gonna give it a 10.
No, hold on, time out.
No.
I'm gonna say a 9. I'll say a 9.
I mean, that's still top for me.
And I'll say a 9 just because of, I don't know, because I wouldn't wear it.
I mean, you wouldn't wear it?
No, it's not for. I said it's my favorite guy.
Yeah,
shoe.
but hold up. But you wouldn't wear it, but you're gonna give it a 9.
I'll give it a 9 because I wouldn't wear it. Because it's not
so
for me.
if you would wear, you wear a
10.
10.
Yeah,
That's a high number. Like I'm gonna. I'll give this a 7.5. Not a bad shoe at all. It's very clean. Like she said, it goes with a lot of stuff. It's gonna be easy to match, and it's a 13, my favorite silhouette.
Coming from him because he matches everything with an outfit.
I do. But like black and gray go with anything. I'm not gonna give it a 9 though. Like 7.5, maybe an 8, but I don't even want to go with 8, so I'm gonna say 7.5 just to be on the nice side. Not a bad shoe, like I said, not a bad shoe. It's unnecessary. It's unnecessary. I think that. I think Unbreakable said it too. Shout out to Unbreakable. I think he said that too. It's just if you have the flints, you know it's a different color. If you have the flints, then a red flints, it's like, do you need another color blocking of the 13?
You guys should have thought about that before you bought it.
Absolutely right. So, I mean, I did buy the shoe. Anyway, y'all let me know in the comments below if you think this was a cop or drop, if you like it. I think I'm like, and let me know in the comments below if you want me to do more videos outside. It's just beautiful right now. It's just beautiful. So, like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. I do have one more video. Shout out to Shoe Palace. But this will be coming tomorrow. I will post this tomorrow. I'm gonna do this video back home in the crib. I don't wanna do it out here. So I think y'all gonna like that one. I think it's different for me. I don't really do that brand. I'm not gonna show you what it is. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. Just stay tuned tomorrow. I will have a new video up tomorrow, I promise. Anyway, like I said, follow all that good stuff. For me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. I can't do the up thing because represent Tune's Kicks. She really panned up. Would you pan up to the sky?
Beautiful day.
Represent TKiccs and a whole Tune squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.